Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Equations and Problems worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we are given 7 worded problems. And the idea is to use our knowledge of equations to solve each and every one of these worded problems. Now, if you're not sure how to proceed, we have a lesson on this very topic, and on the next slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each and every one of these problems. So let's see what's required. Solve each of the following problems by creating an equation based on the given information. So you have to read the worded problem very carefully. After you do that, you transform the worded problem into an equation and then you solve it. That's basically it. So for number 1, when 9 is added to a particular number, the answer is 23. What is the number? Here we have a worded problem. Look at it carefully. Change it to an equation with the particular number can be a pronumeral, that is a letter, and then just follow the directions in this worded problem and write it down as an equation. Once you've solved that, it's straightforward. Just go through the process and solve the equation. Number 2, when 13 is subtracted from a particular number, the result is 48. What is the number? Number 3, when a number is doubled and 17 is added, the answer is 49. What is the number? You know what the word doubled means. Number 4, when a number is tripled and 13 is subtracted, the answer is 41. What is the number? You have to work out what do we mean by tripled. The sum of 3 consecutive whole numbers is 24. What are the 3 consecutive whole numbers? Now, an example of 3 consecutive whole numbers are something like 2, 3, 4. But certainly they are not the answers, but that just gives you an idea what we mean by 3 consecutive whole numbers. Number 6, the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 48. What are the 3 consecutive even numbers? Now, even numbers, that is the consecutive ones, are something like 2, 4, 6. So you have to find the 3 consecutive even numbers that satisfy that problem. And finally, the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 51. What are the 3 consecutive odd numbers? 3 consecutive odd numbers, for example, would be something like 3, 5, 7. So this video has presented some worded problems, and we've been asked to use our knowledge of equations to solve each one of these problems.